Namaste, my name is Gary. Today I am going to representing this video, open video to UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. I would like to tell him two things today because I'm a project manager and I'm a citizen of UK as a British citizen. I would like to tell him two things first. First thing is I would like to tell him I'm his huge fan. He made me fan when he said last October 2020 he wished us a happy Diwali. That time it comes in my mind, how can the Prime Minister in a country can support a minority people? It tells me straight away he's a good human being. I can see lots of prime ministers in every different country, but our Prime Minister Boris Johnson is a very unique quality and he respects every religion or every human. That doesn't matter his skin color is. And secondly, a couple of days ago, he wished us a Ramadan for my Muslim friends or colleagues, and I thought that time he has no bad bones in his body. So I would like to tell him I am his a fan as a brown Indian man who has been migrated in this country 18 years ago as a former student. So today I'm going to bring him one request as a humble request because I'm representing here is not only Indian students, I'm representing here for Pakistani, Bangladeshi students as well. So I do run a YouTube channel called Gary TV, but today I'm not going to talk about my channel. Today I'm going to request Prime Minister, please consider my request. This country has been travel banned due to COVID-19 in their country, and I can appreciate your decision because you are trying to protect people like us. I'm in 30s, I got a first dose, and I can respect that. As a Prime Minister, you've done a very good job. You stopped COVID-19 and you made a proud, we got a very good captain like you for this country, and I'm saying from the bottom of my heart. And you also manage that exist very well, and you have a very good personality, and I'm your huge fan. I'm going to tell you on your face. But my request is, sir, please, you can understand these people are from middle class family and they can't afford £750 because they have taken a loan for their higher education. I can feel a pain for a middle class father and mother in India or Pakistan because I came from that background. 18 years ago, sir, I want to tell you one thing is I have taken 4% interest from my brokers. None of my relative has given us any help. I was bullied, discriminated, everything in India 18 years ago because of my skin color or because of my feminist nature or whatever you can call it. But sir, when I came in this country 18 years ago, nobody has tried to make a fun of my skin or make a fun of my English or make a fun of anything because law is very strong and it protects all of us. And I really salute this country and I really love this country. I also want to do something for this country as a British citizen. Even I'm a brown man. I would like to make a UK number one country in the whole world, and I would like to tell the whole world UK is the best country to live for all multicultural people because we got a prime minister like a Boris Johnson who treat us like it's their own family, even we are only 1 or 2% of the population. So Boris Johnson, sir, I would like to tell you one more thing is here. Sorry, I do speak sometimes very fast. These children are coming from India, let's take example, and they can't afford 1750 pounds. So I request you, you can charge them, you can speak to your education minister and tell him he can charge these students like 60-70 pound per night, and they are happy to pay you for that, and they will live in university accommodation or wherever you want to tell them to live it. And I can promise you these students are very understanding. They're from middle class background. They will not try to break a law, and I really appreciate that. On the meantime, you can ask them, they can have a COVID negative test from India, for example, they're coming, and they can have 2 vaccines. They have done it from India, and they will show you all the certificates, and they will show you all the COVID negative tests, and they will fill you your locator form as well. And I'm sure they will do it. And I'm here as an elder brother, or I'm here as a middle class son 18 years ago. I can tell you one thing is, as a father, you got a one son last year, and really congratulations for your son, and I really wish you very good luck for your whole life. You can understand these middle class father, they will go to bank and they will try to get a loan for a £2,000 extra for this red travel country ban. You know what is going to happen? These father middle class, they will get lots of burdens on their shoulders. They will give everything to their children like you want to give everything to your son, and these people will go and get an extra loan, but it will reduce their lifespan. And I don't want any children's parents has a reduced lifespan because of the stress, because of the loan. They will not live so longer. I know, because I know, I can feel their pains because I gone through 18 years ago. I saw my father could not sleep because he has taken such a loan, because he wants to give me life, because I was bullied so badly back in India. So I can feel a pain for a middle class father and mother, and I would like to request you, please try to speak to your education minister. Try to make some way around, try to speak to university so they can allow them to quarantine in their university and try to charge them only £60, £70 per night. Try to be reasonable price with them, and please try to, because otherwise, you know what is going to happen is, if these students will either take a loan, their parents will get stressed, and I don't want anyone to stress because you are a captain and I have full trust on you, and I really like you as a brown man. I don't have a trust prime minister back in my home countries. But I have a trust on you. I'm telling in front of 1,000 people, even lakhs people, or even I don't care. Please do something for these one. This is my humble request for you. I'm going to share this video with your office in London. I'm going to provide them link, and I'm going to provide a link of your party people as well. If you sir got a time, so please try to consider my request and try to speak to education minister and tell him he will find something solution for a Indian people. Sorry, it's only for students, not I'm talking about workers, Indian students or even Pakistani students. So try to please them help them in a difficult circumstances. You have given a 1 year visa free at last year, which everyone know NHS who came from abroad who tried to save people in England. So you are a gentleman who lost their partner last year due to COVID-19. You, like their husband who's lost their wife, you gave them free indefinite leave to remain. So do you understand they have gone through lots because they have lost their wife or husband. So sir, you are a superhero and you are a gentleman. And I respect you from bottom of my heart. It's not because you're prime minister, because you are a good human being. And I can say that to touch my heart, you have not even bad backbones in your body, not even single one. So sir, please, I have full request for you, and I'm requesting your staff who is watching my video. I'm requesting all the audience, whoever wants support for red hot country for less reduced money, please leave a comment in the video comment so that prime minister or his office staff can read your message. And please try to give a like to this video so that it will go to prime minister very quickly. And please try to leave your comment, but make sure that please leave a comment with a respectful manner, because this video is going to share with the Prime Minister office in London. So I'm going to send this video to Prime Minister office in London. So guys, please leave your comment in a video and tell them which ministry you are. So if you want to have a reduced travel quarantine, which you require to do mandatory in their private hotels. So, and sir, I would like to request one more thing is, who is watching this video? I know this video will not go straight to you. This video will be screened by your staff who is watching this video. I came here 18 years ago. UK has given me lots of things, and I'm telling in front of people, because of UK, I got 5 houses, and I really want UK to #1 country. And I'm saying in your eyes, I want all the international students come to UK, fill all the universities here, get all the money from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, anywhere part of the world, so that our economy will go back. I don't want this student to make a decision to go to USA or other country because they know they have to quarantine here in a hotel and they have to pay 1,750 pounds. I don't want to do that. I want UK to be #1 country. I want to bring all the students as a good British citizen to fulfill here all the universities. I'm not solicitor. I'm not agent. I don't make any money on these things. But as a good citizen of England, because England has given me lots of things, as a common man, I want England to give back their economy back. So I'm doing my bit. Like you are doing your bit, I'm doing my bit. I want to bring every students to UK to study here, fulfill their dreams, fair enough, or fulfill their dream for their parents, middle class, or their wives, fair enough. But on the same time, as a good English Britain student, English good Britain citizen, I would like to make a UK #1 country. If sir, you have a time, please give me 2 minutes time. I'm your huge fan. If your office staff is watching this video, please try to pass this video to UK Prime Minister, because as a brown man, I can tell you everyone, if you cut my 100 pieces, I still say I love England, because I love England so much. So please, who are watching this video, because I was bullied, harassed, discriminated very much in a childhood, but UK gave me strength to live my life again. Actually, UK gave me a second life. I would definitely say that I would like to meet you, sir, one day. If you can invite me, I would be very happy. And sir, I would definitely tell you one thing. Either you meet me or not, that's your personal decision. You are a very busy man, but you're doing a fabulous job to protect England from a COVID-19. I'm telling you, as a common man, as a middle class man in this country, and we are have a full trust on you. Sir, please, God will give you long life, and I really want you to be go ahead in this country, and I really want you to be successful, not only professionally, even personally as well. If I said something wrong in my video, sir, please forgive me. But here is my emotions came out, because I came as a middle class student 18 years ago, and I can feel a pain for a middle class father who will go in India, take a 2,000 pound extra loan. I know he will do it. He will take a loan for 15,000 pound anyway, 15 lakhs. He will do more 2,000, but it will reduce his life. It will reduce his wife's life, because they will not sleep at night. They will think about it, how they're going to pay loan. It will put an extra pressure on their middle class son in UK, which I don't want. I don't want any student's father or mother life will go less, because parents are the blessed things we all can have in this whole life. So please try to consider my request. Try to reduce the amount for a red country who has been banned to travel in UK for September intake or even January 2020 intake. Sir, I salute you as a brown man, Indian man, and I want to see one day in my life. If you got a time, who is watching this my video, I salute to you US, because you spend nearly 9 or 10 minutes for me. And God bless you who is watching my video. And God bless even Prime Minister is watching my video. All of you will. My good wishes to you. God will give you such a good life. And I really want to say bye bye.